In this video, let us see how to use the Wikipedia API using Python. And specifically, we're going to use the Wikipedia API to scrape all the Wikipedia pages. And for this, we're going to use the Wikipedia library that is available in Python. So we have to install that. This is an external library. Just open up your command prompt, and in the command prompt, just type pip install Wikipedia. This will download the library for you. Once it is downloaded, then we can use them. You consider requirement already satisfied. Let me close this. Let's import the Wikipedia now. So import Wikipedia. After that, we have to set the language for. So Wikipedia, the search language, you can set the language to English, Tamil, Hindi or anything. I'm gonna set this to English. Once you have done that, then you can search for your topic. So topic equal to, I'm gonna give you a random topic like Python programming. So this is our topic and we can search the results on this topic. Results equal to wikipedia.search. And inside this, I'm gonna pass the topic. So once we got the results, then we can look through it to get the individual results. So for I comma result in enumerate, we're gonna go through the results now and we're gonna start the enumerate on first index and let's print the result along with the index number. So I'm gonna print the I as well as the result. This will give us the individual result from the topic. We have passed the topic Python programming, right? And when I run this, you can see that here you can see we got the top 10 results that we got the topic Python programming, history of Python, Python syntax and semantics. Now we got the topics, right? And we can search for an individual topic also. We can search the summary of an individual topic and we can do that by, so let me show you summary equal to Wikipedia.summary. We can use the Wikipedia.summary method. Inside this, you have to pass the topic name, or since we got the results right, you can pass the index as well. Either you can directly copy and paste or you can pass the index from the results. So let me show you the copy and paste. Either for if you want a summary for history of Python, you can just copy this and you can pass this inside the summary. And or there is another way also. Since results is a list, right, we can pass the 0th index as well. So I'm gonna paste directly here history of Python and they want the sentence to be 3. Here you can see I have passed the string directly. If you want to fetch the topic from the results itself, you can also use that. So results of 1. Since the results of Python in the second index, we have to pass the number 1. So print summary, let's see what we got now. And when we run this, you can see that here I got the summary. You consider the summaries of the 3 sentence. The Python programming was conceived in the late 1990s and its implementation was started in December. You get the idea, right? We can get the summary for the topic. And this is our topic, right? And this is our summary. I have choose the history of Python and I got the summary for the topic. And we can also get the individual page also. That is the full page. We can get the full page also. Let's see how to do that now. So page equal to Wikipedia.page and inside this you have to pass the topic. Here you can also pass the full topic as a string or you can use the index from the results. So index of 0 and this time I'm gonna pass the Python programming. And if you want to fetch the title, so print page.title. This will give us the page title now. You consider display is the page title Python programming. So this is what we have in the 0th index, right? And let me scroll on, and if you want to print the page title for the first index, that is in the first index we have available this the history of Python. So we don't want to print all of these. Let me comment some of these now. So we need the import Wikipedia and we also need the results and we also need the topic as well as the set language. So other than that, I have comment the results now. So we will only get the page dot and let's try to print the page dot URL, right? So let's see what is the URL that is available for this result. Let me click on this run button. You consider this is the result that we got. So let me open this in the browser now. History of Python. This is what we have in the first index. Let me open this up. It will open up the Wikipedia page for you. Consider this is the Wikipedia page for history of Python. And if you want to get the page content, so page dot content, this will give us the content now. Or if you want to print the links, what are the links are available in the page, you can also use the page dot links. It will give us all the links. So let us see how to get the contents now, page dot content. And for that we have to use the page dot content. So let me clear the screen, or so let me run this one more time. And this time it will give us the content. You consider now we got the content. This is the full Wikipedia page that we have scraped using the Python library. And we have the features, compatibility, all the things that you see in the Wikipedia page will be displayed here because we have scraped the full page. And I think that's it. This is the things that is available. If you want to change the language, you can also set this to Tamil if you want. Now when you try to run this, And you consider now we got the full page result in Tamil. Since I don't install the Python or Tamil font, you consider it displays the random characters. If you install the correct font in your system, it will display correctly. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.